Hey Fast Pass Method students, how you doing? Well, last week we looked at the past tense, and with your fabulous Brent English teachers, you practiced the pronunciation. So this week we are going to strengthen that by looking at the present perfect simple. What's the present perfect simple? Well, it's not giving someone a very simple yet perfect present. Yes, I joke. You see, the PPS, as it's known in the business, is used to focus on actions rather than time, as time is expressed by using the past simple or PS for us in the know. Let's look at an example. I have eaten the most amazing burger in New York. That's the PPS. I ate an incredible burger in New York 2 years ago. That's the past simple because we're focusing on time. So this week in our class, get ready for the present perfect simple and the past simple and making burgers. No, unfortunately we're not going to be making burgers, but I tell you what we're going to be doing, practicing them with your amazing teachers. Have a great week, and remember, don't memorize it, use it.